Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right inside the app. Don't stall. Tap your profile, then the gear settings. Once there, head to Mobile OS Permissions. Turn off Contacts Access so Snapchat can't scan your phone book. This immediately cuts the app's ability to suggest people. Next, remove or hide your phone number and email in Account Info because those are common lookup points. These actions stop new automatic matches and set a foundation for the next, slightly more detailed privacy steps. Once done with permissions, move to Discoverability Controls. Find the Quick Add toggle, labeled See Me in Quick Add, and switch it off. This prevents algorithmic suggestions. Then make sure who can contact me and who can view my story are friends only, because looser settings leak your presence. While you're here, disconnect any linked apps or services that might expose you. These steps reduce all passive paths people use to find you, and they are the core of locking down your Snapchat profile. Finish by verifying changes, log out and back in, and ask a friend or test account to search for you. If you still appear, clear Snapchat's cache via Settings Account Actions Clear Cache, then restart the app. This forces updated privacy state. As a final fix, reinstall Snapchat and recheck iOS/Android contact permissions. Sometimes the OS retains access until reinstalled. If nothing works, the troubleshooting tip is revoke permissions at the OS level first, then reinstall. This almost always resolves stubborn visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.